Rock here again. So last week, I discussed the need for evaluating alternative strategies when building your information security management system and rationalizing your security controls based on the context of your organization. As a reminder, COSO has 5 guiding principles, and we're still on that second guiding principle of strategy and objective setting, which has 4 points. Analyzes business context, defines risk appetite, evaluates alternative strategies, and formulates business objectives. And this week, we'll focus on that 4th point of formulates business objectives. Just as an organization must define business objectives that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely, so must your cybersecurity risk management program. Defining business objectives makes business strategy actionable, much like defining risk tolerances makes risk appetite actionable. You must define metrics against which to measure your cybersecurity program to ensure that your organization continues to operate within its specified risk appetite. Techniques such as the Open Group's FAIR, or Factor Analysis of Information Risk, can be used to help quantify risk and risk tolerances, but you and I both know that cybersecurity is not an exact science. Consider using quantitative and qualitative metrics in your program. Trust me, there's room for both in your life, much like the Star Wars versus Star Trek debate. Just stop it. My good friend Caroline Wong states in her book, Security Metrics, A Beginner's Guide, that metrics provide 3 primary benefits. They provide visibility, they educate and provide a common language for understanding your cybersecurity program, and they allow for improvement by enabling efficient management, investment planning, and decision-making while allowing you to drive change across the organization. Your organization will likely have a different risk appetite for different business units or systems. This means that there's going to be different risk tolerances for different systems and assets. In other words, metrics may change or have different meanings based on the context. I'll dig into metrics further in future posts, but for now, here are 3 things to consider. 1, understand the tools and reporting resources that you have to define and gather metrics. You can't measure data that you can't collect. 2, define metrics that integrate your cyber risk appetite and risk tolerance, which, if you recall, are derived from your organization's risk appetite and risk tolerance. These should come in the form of key performance indicators, which are lagging and give you insight into what's happened in the past, and key risk indicators, which are leading and give you insight into what may happen in the near future. And 3, remember your audience. Different metrics are necessary for different levels within the organization. Operational metrics focus on data and allow you to manage the day-to-day operations of your program. And they're meant for the doers, right? The frontline managers and individual contributors. Executive and board level metrics focus on information and provide leadership with insight into how the cybersecurity program is performing over time and allows them to make informed business decisions. So congratulations, you have stuck with me through the second COSO guiding principle of strategy and objective setting. Next time, we'll go down the path of the 3rd guiding principle, which is performance. As always, I love your comments. Please keep them coming. And if you want to have a direct conversation, just send me a message and we'll set something up. Have a great week, and thank you very much for continuing to watch and support these videos.